natin, bigyan pa natin ng mas madami pang playing.
Richmond Casino only played in 2 of the 4 games for LPU prior to today's contest. So pangatlong appearance to ni Casino. But the big question here for LPU is, can they have a better third quarter? Because historically, dun sila nagkakaproblema.
Yes. In all of their games, eto na naman. Libre-libre si Tapeño.
Luis Tapeño.
In the last game against Arellano, they were outscored 24-10 in the third.
Actually, kung nami-maintain nila yung baka sakaling may panalo na sila pagdating dito sa natin. Kasi nga, sa third quarter talaga sila nagkakaproblema. Lagi silang down in the third quarter.
Tandaan natin, nakakadalawang overtime na itong, dalawang double overtime itong LPU, losing both times against Mapua and San Sebastian.
Oo, doon naman sa San Sebastian, I think it's 26-11 in the third quarter. Kaya hindi na abot sa overtime yon kung na-sustain nila.
Daileg. Rebound, Buensalida. Tapeño. Gamad.
Pinilit ni Gama doon.
Peñafiel, atake. Peñafiel. Daileg mula sa kanto. Can't get the shooter's bounce. Aviles.
Uy, natapikan ni Manalili. Ganda nung offensive rebound niyo, kaya lang natapikan siya.
Oh, Manalili. Taking off, could not finish. Moralejo. Peñafiel mula sa kanto.
Yes, sir. Yun naman.
Simon Peñafiel.
Meron ng tira si Moralejo doon, pero he tend to pass it on the corner dito kay Peñafiel. At hindi naman siya ipinahiya.
Peñafiel with 12 points here in the game. Tapeño with
Yun
a
naman.
turnaround hook.
Actually, libre pa si Buensalida doon, pero kanya-kanyang kumpiyansa lang yan. If you have the confidence on your shot, might as well take it.
1-2-2 zone para sa Letran. Moralejo susubok mula sa labas. And Buensalida comes up with the rebound.
Manalili directing the play. Oh, foul. Kita mo kay Titing galing pa lang dito sa backcourt, talagang nag-ano na siya natitimon na siya kung anong gusto niyang gawin Ito yung pasa ni Moralejo kay Peñafiel. Ito naman yung back down ni Tapeño. Libre sa ilalim si Buensalida, pero di na, akin na to.
Manalili, bounce pass to Buensalida. Buensalida could not finish. Moralejo, atake, speed move.
Ganda! Akala ng defender ipapunta sa gitna, pero ginamitan ng speed move. Libre-libre doon sa baseline.
Manalili. Gaman. They go to AJ. Buensalida on the back down against Aviles at maubusan ng oras ang Letran. And now we get a courtside update mula kay Bianca Tagarda.
No more second half curse, says Joshua Moralejo, something that he admits has been pulling the team down in their past few games. And yeah, complacency has always been a crucial factor, affecting not just their team morale but also their overall performance. At sabi pa nga niya, mas ginaganahan pa raw silang maglaro only when the opponent was already leading, which is very wrong according to them. Pero for this second half, expect a more focused LPU Pirates coming from a halftime huddle with Coach Gilbert Malabanan focusing on minimizing their turnovers, especially on crucial ball possessions. Anton and Bo.
Thank you very much, Bianca, for that update. And meanwhile, we have Gama draining the three. Sumabit itong si Moralejo.
Ito yung napakagandang atake ni Aviles. Very few na atake ni Aviles. Ito naman yung pasa ni Titing. Wala na siyang pupuntahan pero nahanap niya pa doon si Gamad. For a 3 and a foul.
Who is speaker for Lord Kamat?
Gamad
Uy!
missing. Oh, he gets the interception.
Mali yung pagkakasave. Napunta kay Gamad yung save ni Ato Barba. Kaya naman,
From Moses Manalili.
Ganda ng pasa. Manalili finding Santos. Barba, atake. Barba, stripped by Estrada. Knights have the numbers. Tapeño, atake. Tapeño. And that's gonna be 2 free throws for Luis Tapeño.
he was just attacking hard. Wala siyang pake kung anong mangyayari. Ito yung dish off ni Manalili kay Kevin Santos. And hindi naman siya pinagyan. Established na siya eh. Kaya lang, before the bump, he moves. Kaya naman blocking foul ang tinawag kay Montaño.
We'll take a break. Letran leads LPU 54-50. Ayan po ang kampo ni Coach Allen Ricardo. The Letran Knights hoping to win a 3rd straight game here today.
After starting a 0-3. They have 2-game winning streak. They wanna do it again for the 3rd time.
Part of the coaching staff of Coach Allen Ricardo, Coach Bujing Akot, and Coach Gino Manansala.
Daming coaching staff eh.
Of course, Coach Bujing is the dad of our former courtside reporter Baileys Akot, and Coach Gino Manansala is the son of Jimmy Manansala.
If I'm not mistaken, Coach Jack Miligrito is also part of the coaching staff ng Letran. So, kumbaga maraming magagay dito sa mga batang to. They are good coaches.
Yep, I see Coach Jack Miligrito on the bench.
Wala pa si Reynang Batak dyan.
Ano daw, nagbibigay naman daw ng advice, sinabi ni Deo during our interview.
Ayun
Barba
naman.
from way out.
Much needed 3 para dito kay Ato Barba dahil medyo, alam mo yun, nag-aano lang umalagwa na naman itong Letran.
Itong Letran Bow nagbibuild ng momentum kasi ang susunod na makakalaban nila, Mapua sa Martes.
That's why nakita ko dito, ito naman yung sinasabi natin kaninang si Coach Kojak Miligrito. Napakabait na bata yan. Nung naglalaro yan. The next game of Letran is Mapua. That's why I saw Coach Brande Alcantara in our audience right now, scouting Letran. Ganda nung steal ni Kevin Santos. Hindi ka nga pwede mag-dribble ng harapan dito sa batang to.
Oh, what a pass by Manalili to Kevin Santos with the double flex.
Hinang-time pa ni Kevin Santos yun. Ito na naman yung fancy pass ni Titing Manalili. Hang time, hindi mo aabutin. Pare. Mahirap abutin yung kanyang kataas. Tumalon. But still, good effort on the part of Auriague and Barba.
Santos na kompleto ang 3-point play.
Kaya naman mabalik sa 5 ang kalamangan nitong Letran.
Kaya sa mga ganong klaseng pasa at connection, nadja-justify ni Manalili kung bakit niya ginagawa yung mga ganong klaseng pasa. 10 assist na para kay Titing Manalili. Peñafiel and Manalili gets the stop. Manalili is running. No look to Gamad.
Wow!
Another special delivery by Titing Manalili.
Alam mong hindi siya atake. Hahanapin at hahanapin yung mga kasama niya. Kaya lang, yun nga, hindi, kagandahan sa mga kasama niya, hindi rin siya ipinapahiya. Kaya naman ito si Gamad, sige, isusure natin yan. Makukuha mo yung assist na pang-11 mo.
Nakita ko, nag-sprint talaga itong si Chan. Full sprint dahil alam niya darating ang bola sa kanya.
Yes. Kung iba-iba yun, hindi, nakakaintiting na yung bola. Yahan mo na siya dumiskarte. Pero hindi Ito na yung sinasabi natin from the second half, from the first half, from the hour halftime. Lamang ng 2 ang Letran. Ngayon, lumobo na sa 8. 61-53.
Cozy weather fit. Iba-ibang mga pormahan dito ng ating mga tropa.
Dahil medyo makulimlim sa labas at malamig dito sa Coliseum, kaya medyo may naka-hoodie. Ito rin yung sinasabi natin, today is Saturday, kaya naka-civilian sila. Wala masyadong naka-uniform.
Sa lahat ng mga nanonood, i-share nyo lang ang inyong mga photos and experiences enjoying NCAA Season 101 basketball. Now, LPU, dapat hindi sila mawalan ng loob.
Yes. One possession at a time. Kailangan nila maka-convert in this possession para hindi lumobo ng husto ang kalamangan.
Renz Villegas.
Kaya naman inatake ni Renz Villegas itong si Jonathan Manalili.
Renz Villegas has had a quiet game. Just 2 points for Renz on 3 attempts.
Pero mababa kay Villegas yan dahil ito, usually, he average.
Sa ngayon, 16.5, Bo.
Yun ang average niya every single ball game.
Tsaka, hindi umi-score to ng single digits. Laging double digits yung output niya.
Yes. Pero in this ball game, he only had 2 points. Pang-3 yung free throw na yun. Ito pang-4. Ayan. Kaya balik sa 6. Hindi pa binabalik ni Coach Allen si Deo Quahao dito sa ball game natin dahil nga maganda ang nilalaro dito ni Gamad. Ito yung usual play that they run for Jimboy Estrada, well defended by LPU. So, good D on that one. Lakas.
Sayang na depensa na si Estrada. Estrada had to work to get the shot off.
Yes. Usually yung ganun, panira na ni Jimboy yun, pero naandun yung big, naka-help. Nakataas ng kamay, so kailangan gawa ng paraan ni Jimboy. Siya naman ang magdadala ng bola dito.
Interesting. Manalili playing off the ball. Estrada. Oh, wow. A clear out for Estrada. Estrada to Manalili. Extra pass. Gamad for 3. Versosa, Casino. Casino for 3.
Short. Kita na natin sa tira pa lang na short yung tira niya.
Estrada on the move. Jimboy.
Yun naman.
Estrada.
Dahan-dahan lang. Hindi natin kailangan madaliin. Steady Eddie lang para dito kay Jimboy Estrada. Nakita niya butas na butas yung gitna. Walang kumuha on the attack by Jimboy. Kaya end one para sa kanya.
$63-55. 2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining here in the third. Four players in double digits para kay Coach Alan Ricardo. Tapeño, Estrada, Gamad, and Manalili. All in double figures.
Surprisingly, yung Gamad on the squad who already had 4 double figure.
Aviles, backdoor
Ganda
para
ng
kay
backdoor.
Casino.
Malakas lang. Malakas lang. Kung kanina yung pasa ni Titing Manalili na bounce pass, malakas. Malakas din yun sa backdoor na yun. Galing kay Aviles. Balik sa literal ng bola.
Rosilio. Tapeño. Tapeño. Jump hook. Rebound Aviles.
Good intention. Malakas lang yung tira niya.
Oh.
Kanina pa hinahanap talaga ito nito ni Ato Barba itong si Casino eh. He was just running. Talagang binibigyan niya eh. And ito naman, good foul by Rosilio. Walang end one. Make sure na he didn't make a basket after committing a foul.
Richmond Casino from New Jersey actually is a YouTuber, has a vlog called Richmond's Vlog with more than 100,000 subscribers. Tapos yung pinaka-viewed na video niya, Americans try Filipino snacks, more than 1 million views. So pagkain, Bo.
Pagkain.
Pinapakain niya dun sa mga Amerikano.
Oh!
Kaya nag-viral.
Pinakain niya siguro ng balot. Yun naman yun eh. Yun naman yung basihan actually. Pagka sa mga import sa pros, pag napakain mo ng balot ang import, kakaiba ka na.
64-57.
Ganda na depensa ni Aviles doon.
6 seconds on that shot clock. 6 seconds to shoot.
May mga import ka bang nakilala na nagustuhan yung balot?
Actually one import na napakain namin ng balot is Jamel Cornley.
Shot clock
Oh.
at 6 seconds.
Na gustuhan niya. Kaya nagtagal din dito yun.
Santos.
Ganda. Malakas lang yung pasa.
Barba. Barba. Too strong.
Mali yung tapik ni Tapeño na punta dito kay Versosa. Ganda na nung challenge nila doon kay Ato Barba. Kaya lang pagtapik ito ni Tapeño kay Versosa na punta imbis na sa kasama. Wala pa rin si Deo Quahawa.
Oo nga. Manalili. Wow.
Ganda
Inabangan
ng
ni Versosa.
Oo.
Barba.
Uy! Actually, pwede niyo pang ibigay kay Villegas. Ito yung atake ni Ato Barba. Pagtaping ni Tapeño. Ito na yung kanina pa natin hinahanap na si Deo Quahaw. Ito yung atake ni Ato Barba. Libre-libre si Villegas. Pero hindi na. Akin na to. End one na lang.
Barba completes the three-point play.
Balik sa dalawa. Ang kailangan itong Letran.
Bo, this is a better third quarter for the Pirates. And they come up with a steal. Ito na si Renz. Renz against Estrada. Renz Villegas for the tie.
Iyan naman. Better third quarter para dito sa kung dati nilalamangan sila, natatambangan sila sa third. Ito, actually, lamang pa sila ng dalawa kasi they were down by 2 in the first half.
Ito na si Deo. Pamatay sunog na naman. That's gonna be 3 free throws for Deo Quahaw.
Pagka
Pushing foul.
nangangamoy rin ng kalaban, ito ang pinupuntahan nila.
3 free throws for Leo Paul.
Pag-resign yata nito, bombero ang lalapasan nito. A lot of their games, this Letran squad, a lot of their games, if the opposing team is, alam mo yun, having a run, yung
Siya ang sagot.
momentum-wise, dumidikit na, isa na lang ang lamang ng Letran, Deo Wow is there. Kumbaga, pamatay sa ano eh. It's a 3. It's a 3, not a 2.
Alam ni
Yes.
Barba eh. Kaya
Oo.
challenge ni Ato.
Napasobra lang yung challenge ni Ato Barba. Hindi rin kasi pwede yung tataasan mo lang siya ng kamay dahil mataas din siya tumalon eh. Talagang jump shot yung tira niya eh. So, ito yung ating hinahanap kanina pa. Na si Deo Quahaw.
Deo Quahaw from mid-sayap. 40.1 seconds remaining in the third. Tatlo to.
And he sinks all those 3 free throws. Ito isa rin sa mga first-timer sa ating ball game for Coach Ali naman.
Rosillo and Gazingan. Small ball lineup for Coach Allen. Santos is the lone big on the floor. Barba. Versosa.
Uy, sayang.
Nasa penalty na ang LPU.
Oo, masakit yun dahil nga
Holding
they
foul
missed the
on
shot.
Genesis Aquiles penalty.
Fumble on the rebound. Eh, medyo nag-commit pa sila ng foul. Kaya lang penalty na sila eh. Yun ang problema. Ayun naman. Masakit din yon for Letran. Dahil free throws nga eh.
Although today that was just the 4th miss as a team para sa Letran.
Jonathan Leyland.
So 17 out of 21
Wow.
from the free throw line para sa mga Letranista. Four-point lead for the Knights. Villegas.
Ganda! Diba?
8 points now for Renz Villegas. Jimboy has to shoot.
Wala na. Good intention pero kinapos sa oras. Alam nila ang kapasidad nito ni Jimboy Estrada. Ito yung atake ni Renz Villegas. Ganda nung shot. And then the finish by Villegas.
It's going to be a very interesting fourth quarter. No more third quarter slump for the LPU Pirates. Dalawa lang ang lamang ng letra. What a battle it has been between the Pirates and the Knights. Kitang-kita nyo naman po. Sobrang dikit ng quarter scoring. Just 2 points separating the two teams. Letran and LPU getting ready to start the fourth. And here we go.
Fourth quarter.
Renz Villegas fishing for a foul.
Very aggressive Renz Villegas dito sa second half natin. Kung kanina, very few attacks, very few shots for him dito sa second half natin. Medyo naging agresibo siya. Yun lang. Yun naman yung hindi mo ma-afford dito sa close game na to dahil nga it's gonna be a matter of 1 to 2 possession lang. Pagka marami kang mintis sa free throws, medyo masakit sa mata yan sa stat sheets. Ay! Pangalawa.
So prior to that, they were 13 for 16 as a team. So now 13 for 18 after those 2 misses by Villegas. Tabla na sana. Estrada. And now, nabasa na nila, Bo, yung ganung play.
Oo.
Pero hindi nila ma-stop si Kevin Santos.
Nabasa nila yung play na papunta kay Jimboy off the pull-up. Kaya lang inatake ni Jimboy. Kinounter niya papunta sa gitna. Humelp yung tao ni Kevin Santos. Hindi mo talaga aabutin, sabi ko nga sa'yo. Sa taas tumalon, ang haba ng galamay. It's either you commit a foul or give him the 2 points. Ganun lang kasimple.
Ganda ng counter.
Yes.
Lane violation. Substitute free throw for Kevin Santos.
Makibalita muna tayo kay Bianca Tagarda.
Anton and Bo, malamig nga ang panahon kaya napapakape muna itong si Titing Manalili before the game. But this pre-game coffee routine of Titing actually has a deeper meaning. For him, coffee has been his lucky charm this season. Not only did it coincided with their first win, but it also boosted his performance on court. Sabi pa nga niya, malamig daw kasi ang kamay niya on court. Pero sa pamamagitan ng kape ay umiinit ito literally and metaphorically. Anton and Bo?
I like that report. I like that story. Kasi as players, Bo, as we see this hit by Villegas, may kanya-kanya mga pre-game meals kayo eh.
Oo,
Diba?
kanya-kanyang pahiyang kung saan ka swerte. Kung anong kinain mo ngayong araw na to, swerte ka. Malamang sa susunod na game, ganun ulit.
So kape pa lang, sikreto ni Manalili as we see this Santos putback.
Oo, nag-miss na siya doon. Na-challenge na siya ng defender pero he gets his own miss. Put back para dito kay Kevin Santos.
And
Steal
Santos
pa.
with a steal! Kevin Santos!
Iyon naman.
Ang layo ng take-off.
Oo, kala ko idadak eh. Pero hindi na, sure na lang natin dito sa 2 points.
Oh! Oh no.
Kanina pa nagkakainitan itong dalawang to.
Tapenyo and Montaño.
Oo. Kanina
Montaño.
pa nagkikis-kisan ito.
Montaño appeared to grab the foot of Tapenyo.
Kanina pa may konting kulay na. Pero yun nga. Good job by our referee. Controlling the situation na hindi umabot sa mas malala pa.
Bo, ang bilis. Kanina, 2 lang yung lamang ng
Oo, ngayon 7 na.
Letran. And now, just like that. That's why siguro may konting frustration na rin kasi kahit anong gawin ng LPU, Letran always seems to have an answer.
We will never.
From the...
Alright, watch Tapenyo and Montaño.
I don't think it's a flop because it was hit by Tapenyo. That's why there's a review. Kasi ang unang nila, a flop on Montaño, technical foul, and a double foul between Montaño and Tapenyo. So, I don't know. If you see the review, I don't think it's a flop on Montaño dahil tinamaan siya ni Tapenyo.
Wow, looks like it's going to be a faster decision made here.
Yes. From our referees.
So Anseñas, double foul and technical foul.
There was a technical foul for faking a foul on number 13, Gael Montano. Double foul called on number 5, Luis Tapeno, and number 13, Gael Montano.
That I don't know.
Substitutions for the Pirates. Shooting the technical free throw is Jimboy Estrada.
So, the official call is a double foul on Montano and Tapeno, but the reason why Jimboy took that technical free throw was there was also a faking a foul call on Montano.
So, ball possession para dito sa mga Pirata.
90 seconds on the shot clock.
Actually, kanina pa nagkikiskisan yun eh. Nakikita ko eh. Buti nilang medyo na-control ang ating mga referee.
Peñafiel, Aviles. Aviles, hand off to Simon. Simon on the drive, blocked by Santos.
Yes, sir.
4 seconds on the shot clock. 4 seconds to shoot.
Good help side defense para dito kay Kevin Santos.
Moranejo, Barba.
Wala.
Rosillo with the rebound.
Good challenge by Deo Quahaw. Para dito kay Ato Barba.
Tapeno. Santos. Estrada.
Oh, they are defending the handoff to Jimboy Estrada really well.
Oh, what a pass. Santos flipping it up. Nagmadali si Kevin dahil paubos na yung oras.
Oo, pa ano na eh. Pa-shot clock na.
Barba. Ball will stay with LPU.
Medyo nagbabara-bara na itong LPU dito sa fourth quarter natin. They're not running something. They wanna go for that break pero nadidepensahan sila ng Letran. Barba, libre. Wala.
Santos with the rebound.
Sinigurado na ni Kevin Santos doon na wala na makakakuha dito. Akin na to.
Santos with a team high 15 points and 6 rebounds. At may kasama pang 2 steals at 2 blocks. Rosillo to Quahaw. Quahaw step back. Deo.
Ayun na naman. As expected, Deo Quahaw providing the badly needed 3. Kaya lumumang na naman ng 10 itong miss naman dito para sa LPU.
Meron ng 7 na puntos si Deo Quahaw.
Oo, nagtutuloy-tuloy ng problema ng Lyceum.
Rosillo. Santos.
Tira niya talaga yung ganun eh. Yung mga ganung perimeter jumper. Talagang tinitira ni Kevin Santos. Eto naman. Badly needed for LPU naman. Kung kanina si Deo Quahaw, eto naman si Ato Barba. Kailangan pa nila ng mas maraming ganun for them to catch up on this ball game. It's a 7-point lead from a high of 10 kanina. Ngayon, balik sa 7. Eto, poste go kay Kevin Santos. Wala.
Tapeno with a miss. Barba. Barba, merong 18 puntos. Barba, titira na naman. Barba, no. Rebound, Santos. Santos.
Ayun lang.
Ito yung step back ni Deo. Crossover, step back.
Challenge pa ni Versosa yun, ha? Ito naman yung kay Ato Barba.
78-71. 7 puntos ang lamang ng Letran. Villegas to Barba. Moralejo, baseline drive. Moralejo to Versosa. Aviles. Estrada.
Nakakakuha sila ng second chances, kaya lang natatapikan eh. Alam mo yung panira na lang, nasusundutan pa sila, kaya nawawala yung bola.
Manalili to Teo Quahao for 3.
Oh!
Para sa'yo, Kuya Bo.
Tumuturo pa yung bata natin dito. Grabe.
Kaya niya tinira doon kasi alam niya maganda yung vantage point mo.
Yes, sir.
Kitang-kita, dire-diretso eh.
Diretso eh. With the challenge of Ato Barba, Deo Quahao took the shot. Talaga namang hindi tayo ipinahiya. Ito naman, Ato Barba, gumante. Hinayang na hinayang si Ato Barba dahil nga he's been doing everything in this ball game. Kaya lang, kailangan din niya ng tulong from his teammates. Hindi pwedeng siya lang.
Manalili to Tapeño. Tapeño to Quahao. Isa pa ba?
Muntik na. Malakas, malakas. Hindi raw kasi nandito sa linya natin eh. Kaya, uy!
Villegas. Oh!
Pambol na. Napaganda pa yung tapek. Napunta ulit kay Renz Villegas. Kaya naman, napaul siya doon. Evensalida.
Watch Deo Quahao.
Over the outstretched hands of Ato Barba.
Kaya excited si Bo Belga dyan.
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm excited for him, for all those new guys na papasok sa amin. Dahil nga, hindi naman sila ipipick ni coaching and all those coaching staff kung hindi sila nakikitaan ng potensyal. Diba? So, I'm excited for this. Dito, surprising in this ball game, hindi na ginamit ni Coach Allen itong si Mark Denver Omega sa second half. He rotates his big between Bensalida, Santos, and Tapeño. Yun na yung nag-rotate sa big. Ito naman, Jimboy Estrada. Wala.
Pwede pa to para sa LPU. Moralejo.
They just need to push the pace.
Versosa with a fake. Versosa. Villegas is fouled.
Renz Villegas moving without the ball. Versosa finding him on the cutting to the baseline. Renz Villegas na challenge pa ni Jimboy Estrada pero foul ang nakomit ni Jimboy doon.
Villegas good on the first. Two for two. Sa pagkakataon na yun para kay Renz Villegas.
Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan na
Shoutout sa lahat ng mga aktibong nagko-comment sa YouTube. Ayan, sila Trixie, mga Letran fans. Dave Calacat, Teo Quahao, grabe ka talaga.
Double dribble. Grabe talaga kahit sino pag nakita yon. Grabe yung comment ni Hotdog. Grabe yung pangalan mo, Hotdog ha. That's how Filipino creative with their usernames. Diba? Usually yung mga username, mga kasama sa pangalan nila, di ba?
4 lang ang lamang ng Letran. Yan ang pinoprotektahan nila. Barba from way out. And wow.
Good tap by Deo.
Taps it to Santos.
Alam niyang hindi niya kayang kuhanin yon pero tinapik niya papunta sa teammate niyang si Kevin Santos. Ang layo naman tinira ni Ato Barba na yun.
Estrada to the rolling Bensalida. Santos!
Wala.
No!
Sayang.
Oh, and Letran forces a turnover.
Yes. Tama yung pagprotekta na ng bola, kaya lang hindi niya nakita si Jimboy Estrada dun sa kabilang side.
Oy! J-Ral, para mo sabihin to,
basahin mo nga,
J-Ral,
sige.
J-Ral
Basahin.
Kite, J-Ral Kite, lupit mo, Bo!
Basahin mo yung username no, Brad.
Barba.
Uy, pinilit na ni Ato Barba.
Barba's just trying to will his team back into this game.
Oo, hinayang na hinayang si Versosa doon, pero they just need to make a stop with only 2 minutes and 12 dito sa last quarter. Ito si Jimboy.
Estrada breaking free.
Patay ka
Jimboy.
dyan.
Estrada.
Patay ka dyan yung mga ganyan perimeter. Pagka wala ka sa harap ni Jimboy, sure ball yan.
Versosa. Villegas aatake. Villegas bumitin sa ere.
Oh.
In and out. Manalili with the rebound.
Medyo nagkakanya-kanya na. Ito yung atake ni Jimboy. Inaantay niya lang yung defender niya eh. Pag nasa likod, hindi mo talaga abutin si Jimboy. Plus yung perimeter na yan eh. Yan yung comfort zone ni Jimboy. Not known for his threes, unlike Deo Quahao, pero yung perimeter na yan, kumbaga, money for Jimboy.
Milking the clock. Estrada. Santos aatake. Buen salida. Short stab. Santos offensive rebound. Nabitawan ang bola. Ito na ang LPU. Villegas. Oh! Nabitawan ang bola. Opportunity after opportunity
Yes.
slipping away.
Kanina, it's with Barba. Itong possession na to, si Villegas naman. Ito na naman si Titing. Penalty na sila. Ayun lang.
Na mahirap pa game plan. Gumawa ng game plan. Oy, Black Panther.
Ayun talaga naman pogi yan.
Thank you, T'Challa. Wakanda forever.
Oo.
Cute mo, Kuya Bo! Jamir Cyril Cruz.
Yan yung mga pangalan. Hindi yung kung ano-ano. Si Hotdog eh.
Kulang na lang yung profile picture.
Oo.
Manalili missing on the first free throw.
It's still in a striking distance at 6-point lead. Kailangan lang nilang, itong LPU, kailangan magmadali. Hindi pwedeng pa-easy-easy ka dahil wala sa side mo ang...
Oh!
Masakit yun.
Naka-jackpot si Manalili doon. Teka.
Backcourt violation.
Extra possession na sana. At ngayon, may pagkakataon si Coach Gilbert na gumawa ng play. Ayun, umapak.
Nasobrahan sa pagpigil itong si Titing Manalili. Lumagpas sa backcourt.
There's still some hope for LPU. Coach Gilbert Malabanan calls a timeout. You're watching our live coverage of NCAA Season 101, Building Greatness. Kanina pa nagko-comment si cute_Toka. Oh, si Bloby naman, Letran. Na yung mga Letran fans ngayon, ha? Oy! Mabuhay ka, Mr. Dave Kalakat. Cheers! Uy, si Mark Francis De Vera. Mga long-time fans natin yan. Thank you sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa NCAA. Let's see what Coach Gilbert Malabanan drew up here. This is coming off a timeout. Daileg. Oh, they're going for a 3-bow.
Kailangan na nila yun dahil nga the time is not on their clock. Ayun naman. 2 points para dito kay Versosa.
Effort. Effort play by Versosa.
Even if it's a challenge shot para dito kay Dailig. He just took it. Second serving para dito kay Versosa. Third serving. He didn't miss the floater. Ito yung upcoming games ng LPU. They have JRU at October 21, EAC at October 25, St. Benilde at October 28, San Beda on November 4, Mapua on November 7, Perpetual on November 11, San Sebastian on 15, Arellano on the 19th.
So yung
There's
last,
still hopes.
yung last 4 games nila, Bo, same order pala ng first 4 games.
Kasi nga, yun yung mga kagrupo nila. So, kailangan nilang bumawi. Samantalang ito naman para sa mga letranista. LPU today at October 18, Mapua next. Ito matindi din dito at on October 21, Arellano on 26, San Sebastian on 29, JRU November 8, San Beda, ito rivalry, November 11, St. Benilde on the 14th, November 14, EAC on November 16. So, they need to build up as much as win as they can to be on the top 3 para makaiwas ka dun sa 4 and 5 who's gonna have a knockout. So, ito yung double. Oy, ganda ng double.
Nakapag-force ng turnover ang LPU.
With only 3 seconds na nawawala sa ating time. Kaya naman, timeout.
That
itong LPU
was a coffin corner.
Wala
nang mapuntahan si Jimboy Estrada. LPU calls another timeout. We're live on GTV simulcast on Heart of Asia. Ayaw pang pakawalan ng LPU to. Hustling hard to try to get back in this game.
Kasi still a striking distance for them. Tapos parang kumbaga na break na nila yung jinx na pagdating ng third quarter nagbi-breakdown sila. So, sayang naman kung mag-i-slip away ito para sa kanilang unang panalo. They're still down by 4, pero 1 basket at a time. If they make this basket,
Versosa receives the inbound pass. Villegas binigay kay Moralejo. Barba for 3.
Short.
Versosa offensive rebound. Versosa with a putback. At yun naman, Coach Alan Ricardo calls a timeout. Letran holding on to a 2-point lead. let's take a look at this last basket by Versosa. Titira si Ato Barba dito. And again, Versosa ready for the offensive rebound and put back. Now, Bo, before we went back live, you were discussing something with our referees.
Actually, I'm asking the ref if, kasi di ba last 24.9 na lang ito. Ang tinatanong ko, if they inbound it on the backcourt, it's a 24-second ano. Kasi di ba usually, pagka ganyan, sa front court na ini-inbound di ba? So, yun ang tinatanong ko. They have options pala na pwede mong i-inbound doon for 24 seconds. I know, but they chooses to inbound it in their front court, so it's only 14. Very surprising, di ba? Kasi nga, you can already consume the whole 24 kung doon mo in-inbound di ba? So, pressure for LPU to, it's either you foul, it's either you gamble on steals, pero yun nga, it's their play, it's their call, so we will wait.
Balik agad kay Manalili. They give it to Jimboy Estrada. Estrada defended by Moranejo. Quahao on the drive. Quahao.
Wala.
Taileg.
Yun ang sinasabi ko, di ba?
Wow.
They have a chance to inbound it on the backcourt. Pero they tend to inbound it in the front court, so they only have 14 seconds. Okay itong atake ni, kaya lang sumabay si Versosa. And they commit a foul on Renz Villegas. Both teams are in penalty, so Renz need to sink this free throws to tie the ball game.
Renz Villegas today, 5 out of 8 from the free throw line. Good on the first. For the season, Villegas is an 80% free throw shooter, Bo.
Oo. Kaya naman napapatayo na doon si Gary David. Sa kinauupuan niya. Tumatthumbs up na rito sa atin yung ating kumpare.
Bo, tandaan natin, nakakadalawang double overtime na tong LPU na to.
They will take it. They will take it as long as give them a chance to win. Because they are winless. They will take the overtime game.
Villegas, good on both free throws. El
Yes.
Granada is hoping that LPU can get a stop.
They don't have timeout. They doesn't have a timeout anymore. So, eto, atake diretso to.
This is for the win. Bola na kay Titing Manalili. Manalili
Whoa!
puts it up. And then, Jonathan Manalili. Villegas ties the game up. And we are going into overtime.
Renz Villegas.
Yun na nga yung sinasabi natin. Overtime game. Okay tayo dyan. Ito yung unang atake ni Manalili. Wala na Hinang time niya na Talaga namang pag swerte ka. Wala nang timeout ang LPU. Umatake si Renz Villegas coming off the half court. Challenge ni Jimboy Estrada off the board.
Ang lapit
So,
na nun.
kapiranggot, pare. Kung yun medyo napataas pa ng talon si Jimboy. Supalpal yun.
Overtime na naman
Yes,
po.
sir.
Dito sa NCAA Season 101.